ChatGPT has lost its jobs to DeepSeek AI, and this is the prompt. Write the Python Boto 3 oops code to hit the REST endpoint of Elastic Kubernetes cluster and upgrade. This code I will show you at the end, but let's talk how this DeepSeek AI is standing number one among all the AIs in 2025. So let me tell you, these are the benchmarking platforms who have told that DeepSeek AI is number one as of now. May it be the amount of modeling it has, it may it be amount of data input and output, the processing speed it has, may it be the UI it has, everything is top notch with respect to DeepSeek AI. And if you are able to see, the GPT-4 is always less than the DeepSeek AI. And that's why in this video, I will give the same prompts to the ChatGPT as well as DeepSeek AI, and we will visualize what is the difference, how the difference is coming. Is there any major challenges you can see? Is there any major pricing difference between these two AIs if you want to use on the day-to-day basis? Let's get started into this video. So all of you see here, as you are aware that the ChatGPT was bringing you this plan, which is free, $20 and $200 for premium accounts. But for your information, the DeepSeek AI is coming at a very less cost. Yes, you heard it right. If you are creating the DeepSeek account, it will hardly take few dollars from you and you will get the premium access as per the ChatGPT's access. And every time the world is evolving, the technology is evolving, people will come and create some new things, and definitely Chinese people have done again a major chunk of upgradation on their DeepSeek v2.5 and brought the ultimate AI in this 2025. And tomorrow, day after tomorrow, there will be some other AI coming like Daredevil, Deep Devil or something, and that will rule these all AIs together. If you agree with me, comment down what will be the name of the next AI which should come in, and if anything is coming, what is your imagination to keep the name for that? Okay, so let's move into the prompts now. So all of you see here, I have given a prompt here to the AI. So write the Python Boto 3 oops code to hit the REST EKS cluster and upgrade. So basically, if you see here, this is the DeepSeek AI, and very beautiful. First of all, the UI looks cool to me. Okay, and if you see here, it has told how the interaction between the AWS Boto 3 and the Elastic Kubernetes service happens. What are the prerequisites for you to tackle, and how the Python code is. So if I show you, if you see here, always in Python code, it starts with the import statements, then you create the class. So if you are able to see, it's because I have asked for object-oriented programming, this code has given me the oops concepts. Now, if you are able to see class, there is a function initialization self. So whenever you are playing with oops, all the variables inside this particular class will be called with self. So self, cluster name, region, and what is the region that you are going to pass. So basically 2 parameters with a self, and if you are able to see cluster name, region name, what are the details and everything. And yes, obviously in Boto 3, this particular line is very important where you create the client for anything. Let's say I am going to create a client for EKS. Here it will be EKS and EKS client will be created. Suppose here I want to create EC2 client. In this space, EC2 will be there. My batch 10 students would already know all of these things. And definitely comment if any of my batch 10 student is watching. And for your information, guys, let me tell you one interesting thing. You can just click on the link below, www.heydevops.in, and whatever the batch you like, you can enroll yourself. If you want the recorded sessions, recorded batches are there. If you want live sessions, live plus recorded, everything is sorted in the website. You can just check out, and according to your interest, you can enroll. So if you are able to see, the first method in the Python code is define, get cluster info, self we have passed, try catch. This is basically try catch exceptions, and update cluster. So again, there is a new version we are passing. Request response, how the things are happening. Configure Kubernetes client, how the things are happening. Again, the try catch except basically, and check the Kubernetes nodes, try except, and the main condition where the entire code is getting called. So if you are able to see what version of the data we are passing, 1.21, these are like variables, string variables, you can see here. And if you are able to see class of cluster name, so in this class, okay, if you are able to see, in this class we are passing the cluster name, and that's how we have created the object. Okay, upgrader as the object, upgrader dot configure. Basically upgrader dot means class dot method. Okay, so for your information, if you are willing to learn any kind of Python code, this can be the starting point. You can give as many as the prompts to these AIs, and the UI looks really cool, guys, and the explanation is top notch. I would say definitely it's going to help you in understanding from basics to advanced. So let me show you how the ChatGPT thing is looking, and definitely I'll show you like how to install some of the tools also on your system. So let's go to the ChatGPT. I have given the ChatGPT the same prompts, write about the code for Elastic Kubernetes cluster upgrade. So the same thing is there. Again, if you are able to see, UI is okay, not that much good as compared to DeepSeek AI, but still you can able to see the same things are there. Class is there, some additional methods have been formed, and some additional data is there. And again, what are the things it's doing? Not as you can see here on the left hand side, all the things are there. It looks a little bit clumsy, but for your information, on the DeepSeek AI, the information given was more. So if you are able to see here, the information is less. I hope you are able to see. And on the DeepSeek AI, the information is very much and very clear, crisp. Okay, I hope that you are able to see the difference. Now let's understand some things here. Okay, I will give one more prompt in front of you, and let's say that prompt to the DeepSeek AI is, let's say like, okay, what are the remote jobs? What are the okay, I will give like how to obtain the remote jobs in DevOps and SRE in 2025. Okay, so let's see what is this response it is giving, and if you are able to see, it's still in the rotating mode. So let's wait for some time. Let's understand how this thing is taking time, and meanwhile I'll give the same prompt in the ChatGPT also, and let's understand how much is the response taken by the ChatGPT also. Okay, so both of the things I have given the given this one. Okay, ChatGPT loading. Okay, it started giving the data. Okay, it's still loading. I don't know whether it's my internet issue or something, but let's see like why this DeepSeek is taking a little bit time. But here, if you are able to see, oh my god, the ChatGPT has given all the data sets to us. Okay, so it's telling landing a remote job, SRE 2025, a strategic plan, building a strong skill set, gain hands-on experience, certifications, where to find remote jobs. It has given some links, but let's see. Okay, DeepSeek AI is still okay. Let's do this. Regenerate. Okay. Still, it is taking time. I don't know why this is happening. Maybe upgrades, downgrades, out of order. I'm not sure, but let's wait. Maybe if it is not running, I will do one more thing here. I'll copy this again. Okay, might be, let me do this. Okay, I am doing something, please pardon me. Okay, so I'm just trying to hit the same thing. Maybe it's not responding or something is happening with my system. That's why I have opened a new one. Let's see how much time here it takes. Okay, how to obtain the remote jobs in DevOps and SRE in 2025. Oh, it's taking a little bit time. Maybe everyone is testing like me, so that might be the reason. Let's see. Boss, आ जाओ यार भाई, खुल जा सिम, खुल जा भाई. Okay, it's still taking time. I am surprised. Okay. Okay, now please यार शर्मिंदगी मत कराओ. Please आ जाओ. People will think that यार DeepSeek बेकार है भाई. Please आ जाओ. Okay, it's taking time still. I don't know why it's behaving like this. Still no response. All over the world, people are hitting this for testing. Rigorous testing, huh? Okay, it means that I was lucky to get that prompt. Okay. But yeah, still it is not given. So at this point of time, I will leave to you guys. if you are hitting this command and getting the prompt response, because this video will be longer. Let me know. I don't know like why it is not giving this response. AI generated for response only it's telling. But yeah, if you are getting any response, please let me know. Okay, I was thinking it should give me, but yeah, it's still not giving. Not sure why. Maybe I am thinking like all over the people in the world are testing this this particular DeepSeek AI for their references. So that is the reason it's still taking so much time. But yeah, you can confirm me in the chat, and I hope that you have understood. Yeah, see, every time AI comes, AI goes, jobs will always be there for the DevOps and SRE engineers. So you don't need to worry particularly कि यार मेरा job रहेगा कि नहीं. But try to understand whenever some new tech is coming, you just need to explore that tech. At least give like 1 hour, 2 hours of time in understanding things and making sure you are learning out of those things. Okay, keep an eye on the channel because good content is rolling out. Make sure that you're following the things and share this details with your friends. Ask them to test on this AI and let them explore the new things. This is Praveen signing off from this video. Make sure that you are subscribing and liking the video and sharing the channel link with your friends. Bye.